Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Golang on Raspberry Pi, and yeah, let's start that. So I'm gonna paste the code on the description. Sudo apt-get install Golang, like that, and yeah, you're gonna type yes, and yeah, so that's how easy you can install Golang on Raspberry Pi 4. Okay, it will take some time to download this thing, and so I'm gonna post the video for now so we can move to the next thing. Okay, so the installation is done, so I'm gonna type go, and yeah, so that's how you're gonna install Golang on, let's say, go / versions go / version, something like that, /p. Okay, so that's how you're gonna install that. I'm gonna put the, where is it, install that Golang. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on the description so you can get it, and yeah, see you next video.